So, and that's already it. As I promised, I guess Quarto is not that super difficult. And that might be surprising given what you can achieve with this amazing software. So let's just summarize and have a short outlook. So Quarto allows you to write documents that contain, on the one hand, R code to perform statistical analysis and to create figures, and on the other hand, Markdown code that actually helps you to create formatted text using a plain text editor, and to have both of these things within one document. That allows you to describe your statistical analysis and conduct the statistical analysis within one consistent document. And this is very nice because it makes your research fully transparent and reproducible. If you want to create a report using Quarto, there are a couple of main steps that we covered here. So you create the documents, you set the metadata in the header, you write the text, you embed your R code, you render the document, and you share the final results. All of them for themselves, rather straightforward. It just takes a couple of minutes or so to get the basics right and to understand how it works. I really recommend you to focus on the particular Quarto implementation and the R code. To learn Markdown, you really just need to do the interactive tutorial that I suggest down there, or any other one. Yeah? So Markdown in itself is super simple. Don't shy away of it, maybe because it sounds as being something very specific or difficult. It's actually super easy. It's just writing and adding some keywords or some signs for formatting text. Also, keep in mind that when you create a Quarto document, render it, have a look at it, because there are a couple of mistakes that might easily screw up your entire document, but they're just as easy to avoid. So my suggestion would be to start using Quarto for some very simple reports, do some of the exercises, use these reports to learn a little bit the basics, and then just do whatever you want and look up the stuff in a working by doing way. Because Quarto has a lot of great documentations in there. And once you got the basics right, it's very easy to write books, to write blogs, to create your website. It's really a very powerful thing that, given the capabilities it has, is rather easy to learn if you invest a couple of times to get the basics right. And I really hope that this short video was useful in getting over these basics to you. And I hope that you will have a lot of fun in using Quarto for a lot of fancy and cool things in your work. Thank you.